I will demonstrate the group project for Team 1 in Emerging Technology. So first, whenever you go on the website in the Shell app, we have the authentication screen where we can proceed with a login or a registration. So first, let me register our first nurse, which the nurse is going to be called Emily. It's going to be a nurse. The email is going to be emily@gmail.com. And the password is going to be just a simple password. Sign up. Perfect. So now once we're registered and everything has been passed, we access to the nurse portal. So we can see here we're in a nurse portal. So first, we want to be able to access a patient. So we can, let's say, access Benjamin as a patient. And we can see his little dashboard where we can see the clinical records. I can add a vital. So for body temperature right now is at 22 degrees Celsius. The heart rate is currently at 90 BPM. The blood, let's put something like this. The respiratory rate, let's put that he breathes, 15 times a minute. And the weight is 72 kilograms. And when we submit the vitals, we can see here it's been successfully submitted. And if we refresh the page and we go back to Benjamin, we can see here it's been added. The one that I just added here. So we're able to access the information that's been entered. Otherwise, we can also allow the user to send motivational tips. We have some that were already created by Natasha. Let's say we can create, this is a tip. So we created one. We can always go ahead and modify it. Save change. It's been updated. And we can also delete one. It's not a problem. We can delete it just as is. So this is a tip for you. Don't forget your Apple. Perfect. So we have a tip that's created. Now we can also see, based on a survey that someone responded, what their symptoms are. Whenever they submit the survey, the TensorFlow model will look at what is the symptom that they submitted, and it's going to tell you what is the risk for the patient. A low risk, medium risk, or high risk. So first, also we can see the alert. So there was an alert that was sent back on the 5th. Now, if we log out and we go to a patient account, so we're going to test the login functionality here, and we're going to go log into Benjamin's account. So now I'm at the patient portal. We have a daily tips here. We can see, if you feel anxious, give a hug to someone. I think it's one of Natasha's tip. And we can see the doctor's away, and whenever you refresh, it's generated randomly. We can set a new alert to the nurse. So the alert has been sent. We're able to go ahead and enter the information as well. So let's say I'm gonna put some, my body is very cold. My heart is gonna be the same, blood pressure, 1010, some information. It's been added successfully, and we'll test the symptom list with a different list of symptoms. So I feel like I am vomiting, I'm sweating, I feel like my cuts are slow to heal, I have some fever, and I'm fatigued. So submit the symptoms. The symptoms has been submitted. Now let's log out. Let's log into a nurse account. And when we go to Benjamin, we can see the list has been updated, and we can see here that the risk prediction is going to be a high health risk. So we should book with a doctor. We can also see that the patient that's been added this the vitals has been updated. And we can see as the alert, there's a new alert that was updated on the 8th by Benjamin. So this includes all of our features for the nurse and patient portals.